To add shapes to your PowerPoint slide, you can use Insert Shapes in Illustrations category, or in Home you can find Drawing and choose from different shapes uh, you have seen in this list. For example, I want to create this shape on my slide. You can choose from them and add more shapes as you need. There are different types of shapes: lines, rectangles, basic shapes, arrows, equations, flowcharts, starts, banners, callouts, and action buttons. You can add them as you need. And if you need a free form, you can choose from here. In the lines, you can see it again, and with a pencil, you can create a free form shape.